These turkeys in the field right inside Cades Cove. I mean, we barely got inside, and we see all these turkeys in the field. It's getting kind of overcast, as you can see. Sky's looking pretty dark out that way. Think we're going to get a storm here in the cove. Like this sign at the parks say, entrance to the park is free. Your generous support funds education programs, wildlife conservation, historic preservation, trail maintenance, protection of natural resources, and more. So your donations count. It is pretty overcast. It's starting to rain just a little bit, but nothing will take away the beauty of these Smoky Mountains. Nothing. Look at this. Look at this. Just, it's beautiful. Even in the rain, you can actually see the smoke on the mountains a little bit better when it is overcast and when it is raining. Unbelievable views. And here came the rain. Woohoo! It is pouring down. Look how beautiful, though. Look how beautiful it is. Ian's getting wet there in the back seat. He's got his windows still down.
I love it.
He loves it, though.
It just transforms away.
Let's look out the front here. Woo! Check out this rain. It's beautiful.
Getting over all of my, getting all over my nose.
Look at that sky.
Oh, no.
Look at the sky, honey. Look at the sky up there. It's beautiful.
Anything looks like that. Best day ever.
Best day ever. That's right, Ian. Best day ever.
This is the most he's ever enjoyed Cades Cove.
A rainy day at Cades Cove beats a dry day at work, y'all. Don't it, honey?
That's right.
Already got in my eye. You can tell, right, Mommy?
Yeah. There is still quite a bit of traffic up here, but, you know, they weren't anticipating the rain like we weren't, I guess. Hey, we would have came anyway. Yeah. The rain doesn't affect us in the least. Hopefully we will see some bears, though. That's what we're hoping to see in this rain, but I'm telling you, the rain still doesn't take away the beauty of the park, does it?
No.
Never.
Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling.
Roll your window down, honey. Let's see out your window.
Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet.
Getting wet. It's a raining. It's a pouring. There's the church we were married in last year, the Methodist Church. Still raining, and we've got a traffic jam. Hopefully it's a, what, Joe?
Bear jam.
Hopefully we got some bear jam going on up here. Cherry trees are blooming. It's August, so possibly we will see some bear today. Don't know because of the weather. I don't think the bears are afraid of the rain. So we might. But, yeah, we're in a jam. Hopefully it's bear jam. All right, the rain did finally let up. Look at that beautiful, beautiful mountain view over there. I'm telling you, you cannot beat this view. You just cannot. I say this every day of my life nearly. But you cannot beat the view. Rain or shine, Smoky Mountains are always beautiful. Still in the traffic jam. Hopefully, like we say, hopefully it's a bear jam. You can see the traffic is starting to go a little bit up on the hill there. But yeah, we're kind of been stuck here for a few minutes. But we're enjoying the rain, enjoying the cooler temperatures in the Smoky Mountains.
America.
One more look, America, that's right. One more look at the beautiful countryside. It's a Tipton place. It's one of my favorites. Want to stretch our legs just a little bit. Get out and look. Take a look at this stream. It's been raining here most of the weekend, so the water's up a little bit, but isn't this beautiful? I love the sound of a mountain stream. I love it. The sun peeping through the trees. It's beautiful through here. Or Big Joe, the only bear I've seen today. I brought him with me. The only one. But it's beautiful. It's muddy. Law, it's muddy through here. But it's good and pretty. I'm gonna walk back here through the trees just a minute. See what we got here. Let's take a walk through these trees. Some mushrooms on the ground. Look at that. It's beautiful. And there's the baby bear too. Papa bear and the baby bear. Arr. What do you think about this through here, Ian? It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it cute?
Wait,
Like
I
you?
found a mushroom.
Yeah, we did. We saw some mushrooms. I saw them, yeah.
I like digging around like with my feet.
You like digging?
It's a good little place to get out and stretch your legs.
Oh yeah, this is a great place. It's good and flat. It's pretty clear through here.
Obstacle course.
Good and shady.
It's an obstacle course, Ian said.
Parkour.
This child could have a good time anywhere. Be careful, you got flip-flops on. Don't you fall. Woo-wee. Be careful. Go ahead. Let me go assist in this tightrope walking here. I got you. Go ahead. He's a character. Fearless. All right, come on down. The wood's kind of cracking.
Oh,
What you got?
cone.
Pine cone. We love pine cones. It's a mountain loving boy right here. Takes that after Mom and Pa, don't he, honey?
Cute little stream coming down there.
Look here, Ian. Come this way.
What?
Oh, yeah. Come down here. Let's see if this water's cold.
That
Okay.
actually just cold like this.
Is it cold?
No,
No? Is it good and warm water?
it is cold, but I'm fine.
Is it? Touch it with your hands. There you go. Joe's in the water down there. Is it cold water?
It is not cold.
It's harder to do with wet feet, isn't it? Woo! Come on, let's go.
Come on.
All right.
Tree!
You're shaking water on my head. Come on.
Look at the little green mushroom.
Let me look. Oh yeah. Look there. Look at those little green mushrooms. They're cool.
Okay. If you're ever in the woods and you get kind of lost and you need a sense of direction, which way you're going, look here at this tree. See this moss? Moss grows on the north side of a tree.
Moss grows on the north.
So this is north.
Awesome. Awesome. Come on, son, you're gonna fall. Let's go.
At least I'm in there.
Follow Pops.
One good.
Pine cone, Lord. This is a beautiful area, actually. It's nice to, toward the end of this 11-mile loop, to get out and stretch your legs a little bit, because it does go slow a lot of times. Cades Cove the loop is only 11 miles, but people stop and the traffic gets congested through here. And, you know, people stop to look at wildlife and things like that. So it's always good to take one of these little pull-off spots and get out and stretch your legs. We love to, especially by one of these mountain streams. Wonderful.
This right here. The cigarette butt. Only leaves footprints.
Only leave footprints.
Seems like they just don't get our ways. They try to control